A very good morning to everybody. Today we are going to share with you how to make timeline on Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. For this, you would be needing various resources like a black chart paper, a pair of scissors, fairy stick, sellotape dispenser, few printables which you would find attached in the email which says timeline on Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, a set of 19 such cards. These are the flash cards which you need to take colored prints of, cut them and use them for the timeline. Set of information which has to be shared along with each card. The numbers are on the sides here. So the first step before we begin is to fold this chart paper into 3 equal parts. Now you will see 3 pieces. Now, using a pair of scissors, we are going to cut it. For the time being, I'm just using one strip to show you how to make. So this is the first strip which we have. I'm going to share with you. We're going to cut the set. I'm going to use 3 cards as first images. So if you see, there's a dotted line and we need to cut on this dotted line. Slowly and steadily. Please cut on this dotted line. We are making timeline on Mahatma Gandhi. So if you see, I have 3 cards now. They are numbered. This is my first card, this is my second card, and this is my third card. And I'm going to cut all of them. First card, my second card, and my third card. And this is the cover to this. So I'm now going to share with you how to do the cutting of the reading part also. Although our children are not able to read the content, but this is for the teachers to get an insight as to what information is to be given with each card. There is a dotted line, you need to cut on that. arrange the cards in order. I'll share with you how to even cut this. So you need to cut it just next to this line. This will be the heading for your timeline. Go slow with the cutting if you're not comfortable, but do cut on the straight line. So these are the things you need to start the process. Now I'm going to share with you how to start pasting. So taking one card at a time, open the glue stick, turn it upside down. You're requested to spread the glue on the sides and not in the center in order to avoid puckerings. This card, this is my first picture card for the story. Again, spread the glue on the sides, leaving equidistant, so I can take my 2 finger spacing, keeping in mind aligned. I paste my first picture card here. Now I'll take the first information strip. Again, spreading the glue on the sides, leaving a little distance and just pasting it on this. Slide it further, take the next visual. Leaving again 2 finger spacing, aligning it same. I'm going to paste third card for this next visual along with its content to be read out. Again, leaving it equidistance. You might be wondering as we do this that all set of 19 cards are to be shared with the playgroup children or the nursery children. No, not all cards would be used. The card numbers which need to be used for each group would be shared with you in your mail. Kindly refer to them before making the timeline for that age group. As you see, I'm running short of the paper here. I can always take the next strip, spread the glue here, attach it and leave some weight on it to dry for some time. But due to paucity of time, I'm just sharing with you a set of 3 cards to make the timeline. And in the end, when you see you're left with this much of paper, you're requested to snip off the extra paper. This is how your strip of paper looks. And now we will share with you how to display it. So I'm going to turn it upside down. At the back side, we are using tape. You would be having display boards in your schools, but we don't have one in the head office, because of which we're just using a wall where we are going to display the thing. So sorry for that, but you're requested to display the things on the display board. So here we go. This is how you display the heading. And then below this, you would display content. Now, when you're working with your students on this, you will say this is a timeline on Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. and then you show them this picture, you read the content to them. You move on to the next picture card, talk about it. The content to be read out is mentioned here. The next picture card and the content to be read is mentioned here. Hope you enjoy doing this activity as we enjoyed sharing it with you. Thank you so very much. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.